Okay, well today I'm going to be attempting to pick the 6-pin ERA or ERA Euro cylinder. This one contains a few mushroom pins, 3 I think in total. Um, they can be quite difficult. They are quite good quality locks, the ERA locks. But we'll give it a go. We're going to SPP this one, single pin pick, using just a regular feeler pick. There we go. It was quite easy, that one. There's a few security pins in there, which can make it quite difficult. To be honest, that was probably the quickest I've ever picked that lock. I'm a bit stuck there. So yeah, I mean that one was fairly easy. They can be difficult at times, but not too bad. Anyway, I'll soon be posting a few more videos on YouTube, maybe do a few more Euro cylinders, 6 pins, security pins. Thanks for watching, and keep watching. Cheers.